Next, we will discuss working rule for fitting a parabola is of the form y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Working rule for fitting a parabola y equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are constants. So for a given set of n data x1, y1, x2, y2 dot dot xn, yn, we wish to fit a parabola y equal to x square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are constants. So y equal to x square plus bx plus c. First, multiplying both side by x, we get xy equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx. Then again we multiplying both side by x, we get x square y ax to the power 4 bx cube plus cx square. Okay, and at xi y point 1 to 3 becomes axi square plus bxi plus c equal to yi. This becomes axi cube plus bxi square plus cxi equal to xi yi. Okay, this equation becomes axi to the power 4 plus bxi cube plus cxi square equal to xi square into yi. Okay, at xi yi point 1, 2, 3 becomes this. Then we take summation, both side. We get a summation over I xi square plus b summation over I xi plus n into c equal to summation over I yi. If we will take summation in this equation, we get a into summation over I xi cube plus b summation over I xi square plus c summation over I xi equal to summation over I xi into yi. If we will take summation in this equation, we get summation over a into summation over I x to the power 4 xi to the power 4 plus b into summation over I xi cube plus c into summation over I xi square equal to summation over I xi square over yi. We get 3 equations. Okay, these equations 4, 5, 6 is called normal equations, and solving this equation we get values of a, b, c. Okay, this is the working rule for fitting a parabola y equal to x square plus bx plus c. Okay, also noted that for fitting a parabola is of the form y equal to cx square plus bx plus c. Just interchange abc. Okay, this is the formula for fitting a solving these three equation. We get value of abc, and this is the working rule for fitting a parabola y equal to x square plus bx plus c. Similarly, for fitting a parabola is of the form y equal to cx square plus bx plus a. Similarly, for fitting a parabola is of the form y equal to cx square plus bx plus a. Just interchange abc in these three equations. Okay, please remember this. Now we will solve a problem fitting a curve of the form y equal to x square plus bx plus c to the following data by the method of least square. Here x is 3.5, 8.4, 16.8, 23.9, 27.1, 28.8, and y equal to 4.4, 9.2, 20.6, 31.1, 35.0, 37.5 is 37.7. Okay, here question is fit a curve is of the form y equal to x square plus bx plus c to the following data by the method of least square. Okay, here number of data is 6. So solution. So working rule, first working rule. Working rule. For given set of n data x1 y1 x2 y2 dot 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 xn yn we wish to fit y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Here the normal equations are so normal equations for fitting a parabola b. There are three normal equations since there are three unknown. Number of unknown equal to number of equations. So here three unknown. So here three normal equations. Okay. For fitting a straight line, there are two unknown. We get two equations. Here three unknown. Here we get three equations, three normal equations. Okay. So normal equation are a summation over I xi to the power 4 plus b summation over I xi cube plus c summation over I xi square equal to xi square yi a summation over I xi cube plus b summation over I xi square plus c summation over I xi equal to xi yi and a summation over I xi square plus b summation over I xi plus n into c yi. So there are three normal equations for fitting a parabola y equal to x square plus bx plus c. Okay. So first we will find xi to the power 4 xi cube summation xi cube summation xi square yi summation xi okay summation yi. Now we will draw a table. Now we draw a table. This is xi, this is yi, this is xi square, this is xi cube, this is I, this is xi 4, this is xi yi, this is xi square yi. Okay. So here xi is 3.5 8.4. So 3.5 8.4 16.8 16.8 23.9 27.1 28.8 okay 16.8 16. So this is 16. Y equal to 4.4 9.2 4.4 9.2 4. This is 2 4.4 9.2 20.6 20.6 31.1 31.1 35 37.7 35.0 37.7. This is 5. Okay. So xi square is 3.5 square is 12.25. So this is 70.56. This is 282.24. This is 571.21. This is 734.41. This is 829.44. So xi cube equal to 42,875 592,704 and so on. Ultimately we get So ultimately we get this. Summation xi equal to 108.5, summation yi equal to 138, summation xi square equal to 2500.11, summation xiq equal to 62819.513, summation xi to the power 4 equal to 1638397.82, summation xi equal to 3216.31, summation xi square yi equal to 81256.065. Okay, then the normal equation becomes a into summation xi to the power 4 means xi to the power 4 means this. So summation becomes this. Say a into xi to the power 4. Here xi to the power 4 is this. So ultimately we get three equations. So ultimately we get three equations, three normal equations. Okay, putting this value xi to the power 4 y, xi cube, xi square, summation xi square yi, summation xi cube, summation xi square, summation xi y, summation xi square, summation xi, summation y, this is yi. We get three normal equation, and solving three normal equation by the use of help of calculator we get. So solving this normal equation by the help of calculator we get a equal to 0.00805, b equal to 1.07617, and c equal to 0.18489. So there are three normal equations. So solving this normal equation with the help of calculator we get the values of a, b, c. So values of a is 0.00805, b is 1.07617, and c is 0.18489. Hence the required parabolic fit to the given data is y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So y equal to here is 0.00805 x square plus bx is 1.07617 x plus c is 0.18489. So this is the required answer. So hence the required parabolic fit to the given set of data is y equal to x square plus bx plus c, and value of a is this, value of b is this, and value of c is this. So this is the required answer. Okay, very easy, but just lengthy process, but very easy problem.